So the neighbor of one of my friends has a lawnmower that this sheet metal part goes to, and it's got a shaft that goes through it that's part of a mechanism, and the sheet metal piece has some rolled edges that it's using to hold the shaft and acting as the bushing for it. And over time that hole opened up and the mechanism quit working because it started binding. So they asked me if I could modify it and get it working again, and I said sure, I'll take a look at it. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to open up one of the ends, the end that the shaft goes into, and then I'm going to use the rolled over edge on the other end for a steel housing that I'm going to machine. And that housing is going to have a counterboard end that is going to slip over that rolled edge on the other side. And then it's going to be a slip fit on the OD to the hole that I opened up on the mill. So now I just got done boring it, and I'm going to test the fit for the shaft. And you see that fits nice in there. Now I'm testing the fit to the piece that I machined on the mill, and you see how it slides in there on the OD and then it hooks in on the other side on the counterbore, and that's a nice good fit on both the hole and the counterbore. Now that I got that done, I'm gonna part it off and just face the other side, and we can call this fixed.